one plate, multiple objects, different settings. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video, is adjusting settings for objects. You print where you have multiple parts to something and you need to change the settings. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next few minutes. Jumping right in, I've got my two objects here, and I'm going to go through the global settings first. So whenever we're looking at printing one plate with multiple objects that are different, that's when I'm going to look at adjusting settings for each individual object, but I always start on the global setting. So standard 0.2 millimeter layer height, I'm using my generic PLA settings, and I've got my wall loops to 3, tops shell layers, bottom shell layers, both set to 4, and the infill is the same on all of these, and every other setting is going to be the same starting out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the objects and visually inspect them and decide what needs to change. So right away, I know that they both need different support settings. And so this one is going to need a tree support, where this one I'm going to run either just your normal supports or your hybrid supports. So other than that, I think they're mostly going to be the same. Okay, we are going to jump over to our objects tab now. And so I have our two objects. Both of these objects were created just for this tutorial. I just threw them together really quick. And it's helpful to understand which object is which. So in this case, they're both named cube, which is not great. They were just created using primitive parts. So you can actually turn one of them off and you'll say, okay, that's the bottom one's this one, and turn that back on. So now I know which one's which. So we're going to start with this object over here. And so with this object, this is a negative part that I've added, and so it will have a big flat overhang here. I need to adjust the support settings on this piece here. So right now they both have support turned off. I'm going to turn the support on here, and I'm going to set this to a normal auto, leave basically everything else the same because these are my standard settings. They work great. And then I'm going to select our second object, and I'm going to turn on supports, and I'm going to leave it to tree auto. And then I'm actually going to go to tree hybrid, which I've really been liking the last couple weeks. And we can slice this plate. And now hopefully what you'll see is these supports are going to look very different. We'll get this out of the way. Zoom in. We've got our normal supports here. Anything with a flat bottom surface, highly recommend normal. Anything with a curved bottom surface or more of an organic shape, I'm going to use these tree supports. So now when I send this off to the printer, I'm going to have two different settings, same print. It allows me to adjust each object individually. Thanks for watching to the end. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions. And as always, if you found this helpful, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.